Woo! This is crazy. It goes up so fast. Holy moly, this is amazing. We're already way, way up. There's nothing we can do about it now. You can see everything up here. Woo! This is amazing. Oh, wow, it's windy. Oh, we're twisting. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is a thrill ride, everybody. Whoa! It's actually very weird to turn your head and look around because it'll really disorient you.
Yeah, I know. I turned my head. I was like, oh, that felt weird.
Oh, wow, there she is. Oh my gosh. Woo! This is crazy. Interesting. Super crazy windy up here. Oh, we're going down. This is one of the most interesting, weirdest rides ever. That's International Drive down there. We just ate right over there. Zena is cracking up the whole time.
This is so fun.
This is super unique. It's oddly relaxing, yes. Zena says it's relaxing. I agree.
I was trying to look for like something, but it got so windy I couldn't keep my eyes open.
There's Topple. You can just make out the top of Mako. And this is, the swing goes about twice as high as Mako over there. And about as high as the icon itself right there. And we're coming back down. There's the StarFlyer office, the Star Bar. As you see, 8265 International Drive here in Orlando. This was exciting, everybody.